Welcome to my channel. My name is Souren. I'm a vocal coach, singer, songwriter, vocal producer. If you are a beginner and you experience difficulties, problems with your pitch, this video is for you.
Shine, 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 shine on me like I shine on you. Shine on me, you are my sunshine.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button below. So today I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that are great for improving your pitch control and just show you a few tricks and tips of what you can do to get better. Play your favorite song, just a recording of your favorite artist, any song that you want, and find the key that song is written in. Let's say you're playing a song by Ed Sheeran, let's say Perfect, and then just type in Google Perfect by Ed Sheeran key. What key is it written in? So today I'm going to play one of my songs. I wrote this song. It's called Sunshine. So this song is written in the key of E minor. Once you know the key, just keep playing the root note. Let's say the E in this case, right? Because the song is in E minor. All right, so I'm going to keep playing the E while I'm playing my song. Keep singing one note over and over again, over all the chords that are changing there, over all the instruments, all the vocals. Find 10 or 20 songs a day. Keep practicing. Find the key and keep playing it and keep singing it. I promise you, your pitch will get so much better. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This exercise helped so many of my students improve their pitch and understand the intervals a little bit better. So if you are a beginner and if you don't know anything about music theory and you can't play the piano, but you have a keyboard or an instrument that you can practice with, I would suggest playing one note. Let's take this note, Do. Okay, start practicing with just singing single notes. Try to use closed vowels, E or U. First, listen to the note. Play it loud enough so you can hear it well. You can even use this humming sound like. Make sure you're closing your eyes and then keep singing and keep playing it continuously. Try to do it. Try to do it now. Play a note, sing it with me. Ooh, I'm playing note C. So keep your eyes closed, keep singing that note and play the same note all over and all over again. This felt great. Even felt like some kind of meditation. So this is how our body works, right? So we have different senses. We have our eyes, we have our nose, we have our ears, right? So when you're blocking one of those senses, the others, they become more sensitive. So let me know in the comments if closing your eyes helps you. Another very important aspect in correcting your pitch problems is that you have to work on the placement of the vowels, placement of your sounds in your mouth. There's so much that has to do with the muscle memory and the way you're placing your sound. If you do those exercises incorrectly, that's how your muscle memory is going to remember, right? And then once you start singing, all of those bad habits are going to come back. So make sure you have the correct placement. If you have a vocal coach, keep practicing, keep doing those exercises, keep working on your placement, your breathing, and the ear training exercises. And if you don't have a vocal coach and you're learning how to sing from YouTube videos, I'm going to do another video very soon and dedicated to the placement. If you want to listen to my music or you want to support me and buy my album, if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button below. That will make me very, very happy and will motivate me to create more of this kind of videos. All right, guys, so that was all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Shine on me like I shine on you. Shine on me.